Hello guys, welcome to Think Creative and I'm Kalogos, and today I have an interesting tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to download any view once video or picture on WhatsApp, and the interesting fact is this actually works on iPhone and Android. Wait. Let's get into it. So all you have to do is you firstly just open your view once photo like that one, then you just go back and then you go to the person's info, you select export chat, attached media, then you wait for it to be exported, then you go to save to files, then you save it, then you go to your files, this is a zip folder. You select the zip folder, it opens another folder, it unzips the file for you, you open the WhatsApp, it's going to send you all the details, all the chats and everything that it's on the person's this one. So there you go, this is the V1's picture right here. We have the V1's picture right here. So let's test if this also works with videos. So as we did before, you open the video, we just let the video play for a while, then we go back, we go into the person's info, scroll down, export chats, attach media, wait for it to export, save to your files, then you just save it. I'm going to replace it because I already have a folder there already, so I've replaced it. Then I'm going to go into my files, then I go back, I have a zip folder, a zip file here, so I just unzip it, open it, scroll down to my the recent one, it shows the recent, and there we have the video. As you can see, this works with pictures and videos also. I know by now my boys are screaming, but wait, is this a tech tutorial or a relationship tip? Alright guys, I'll be dropping how to download audio, V1's audio in my next video. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and turn the notification bell to see that video.
Camera. Yeah. Good morning to my haters, just a greet ya. This world is tricky with no competition. They are laying at them my zone, bro. Why they envy man, brethren? I fit to kill for a better life. If they be and they be, just try to listen. Changing your religion, no go make you get your vision, ambition. RIP haters, that's my intention. Consign yo, fuck all your ratings.